This video, I'm going to show you how you can remove black screen on your videos or on your files in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I've added here a video, and as you can see, this was a 16:9 video, but I want to make it a portrait. So after converting your video to portrait, you realize that it leaves this black screens on top and on the bottom side of the video. To remove this, it's quite simple. All you need to do is to click on the video on your timeline, and once you have clicked on it, head over to edit button here and then select basic. Now under basic, go ahead and increase the scale of your video. You can see currently it is set to 100%. So if we increase this scale, you can see it will go ahead and enlarge the video to cover the upper and the lower part. Now what you need to do is to go ahead and adjust your video such that the point of focus is at the center, like that. So go ahead and increase this until it fills the whole vertical or portrait surface. You can also use this scale to scale it and then scale it to the end, like that. I'll also go ahead and scale it on the lower here, and here we go. You can see it has covered the whole of this part, and now I can adjust it to fit my preferences. Now if I go ahead and play the video, you can see it has covered the whole black screen, and now it is full. So that's how you can remove black screen on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.